Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you the Map of the Soul 7 version 3 of the album from BTS. So it's going to be a little unboxing. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. By the way, this is my very first BTS comeback, my very first album actually. So I'm very excited. Yeah, by the way, I've already heard this whole entire album and it's actually really, really good. So if you are wondering or if you're not sure if you should get this album, I definitely suggest you do. There's 4 versions of it. I just wanted to get version 3. So yeah, it's really, really nice. The packaging and the art inside is really nice. So once you open it up, you have the CD on one side and it looks really nice, and then you have a couple of items on the other side. So first off is this poster, and this is a very glossy poster, kind of just a regular poster, but on the inside it has Map of the Soul 7, and you get the members sitting down on a table, and you have each of them looking very, very handsome. J-Hope, RM, V, Jungkook, Suga, Jimin, and Jin. And like I said, they're all kind of just looking really regal and handsome, and they all kind of have like little suits and stuff. And there's a couple of little Easter egg items on the table as well. You also get little cards and stuff for certain sweepstakes. And then there is this little card on there, which is in Korean, and I don't speak Korean, unfortunately. Not yet, of course. And then you have this little 7, which I heard is so that you can color it, but I won't be doing that. I kind of like it that way. I pulled an RM card from the CD. In the back, it just says Map of the Soul 7, and he looks very handsome in that. It's actually behind my phone right now. You also have this little card with their signatures on there. It is a printed card, so unfortunately, it's not actually signed. And then you do get Map of the Soul 7, this little picture of them in the back with a bunch of little doodles on there that looks really, really adorable. You also get this sticker sheet, which I heard somewhere that this is actually from Jungkook, like he actually doodled on there, which is really, really cute if that's the case. You get a couple little doodles, hearts, and then you have that masterpiece right there where they each have really crazy hair. He gave Yoongi blue long hair, and it actually suits Suga very well. You actually get this little blue pamphlet in here, which again, unfortunately, is in Korean. I'm gonna have to use Google Translate for the inside so that I can read it. You also get this other little booklet, and this booklet is actually really cool because inside it gives you a table of contents of what song is what, and then if you scroll to that page, you can actually see who produced it, who mixed it, who's on the track, as well as the lyrics on the other page as well. So that's really cool. Actually came in handy on my first listen because I can actually read it. It is in Korean, of course, but I can actually, follow along. This other little packet here has a bunch of pictures inside. Now, if we take the top off, this top part kind of feels like wax paper, and it's really cool. It has just the 7 on there. And then on the inside, you have these little pictures. Now, the picture book here does feel like vintage. It feels like a scroll. It feels very, very high end. I know some people were a little disappointed with the way it looked, but I, for one, am not disappointed. I like the way it looks. Also, I heard that Big Hit decided to do it this way because it's more eco-friendly, and I, for one, love that they did it that way. But yeah, you get another little version of the poster in the front. Like I said, it looks very vintage, very regal, with a bunch of other pictures on the inside. So I decided to do this one and decided to buy the version 3 because I like the concept pictures. I like the way they looked. Like I said, they look very regal, kind of like a painting. So that's why I decided to go with this. Now I know all the other versions have different picture books on the inside with different concepts and stuff, but I, for one, really liked this one. And then we got Hobie right here looking very handsome as always. And it does this so that it gives every single person a big poster, but on the other side there's other little pictures as well. As you can see here, you have Jungkook, and then you have the three up there, and then a solo at the bottom. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all of them. Here we go. And now my favorite, Yoongi. I am a Suga stan. I just really, really admire him. And yeah, he looks really, really handsome here. And then you have RM and Suga on top. And then you have another solo shot of Suga. And yeah, here's my cousin just lighting it up because his is a little darker than the rest of them, which I would say kind of suits his character a little bit more. Because out of all of them, I think he's one that has a bit of darkness within him, which is why I think I gravitate towards him a lot more. But yeah, look at how handsome he looks right here. For some reason, his hair looks a little purple, which I'm not hating. I like the way it looks. And yeah, let me continue to show you more of these pictures. Alrighty, and then at the end here we have this different pic. So this one has a black and white, like I said, very vintage aesthetic of them just kind of sitting down. And I think I really like that one. And then of course V looks handsome as always. But yeah, guys, that's the entire album and what's inside. Like I said, I've heard this album a couple times and I really like it. I think it is a definite banger. No, but it definitely has different vibes than some of the songs I've heard previously. Like I said, this is my very first album of theirs that I have purchased, and I'm not disappointed. I think it's a definitely a really good step towards just world domination at this point. But yeah, there's a song for everyone on there, in my opinion, and I I kind of teared up when I heard Inner Child. I just really like the melody. I like the beat, but most importantly, I like the lyrics on there. If you guys have not listened to this album, and I just gonna recommend listening to Inner Child, because it's my favorite song on the album, but the lyrics inside really resonate with me. But yeah, anyways, this is the Map of the Soul 7 version 3. Till next time, thank you for watching. Bye.